the status of Sayyida Khadijah al-Kubra from one dimension. She is the first ever Muslim. If we put men, children, women, everyone together, the first Muslim ever to embrace Islam in the entire human beings, meaning the jinnat and human beings in the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it was Sayyida Khadijah al-Kubra. And according to a hadith, Prophet ﷺ mentioned that whoever starts anything, whoever initiates anything, and all people who follow that person, they get the reward, yes, but that person get the collective reward of all of them. So if you start something good, which people were not doing, you started a good deed, now all people who will do that good deed after you, you will get the reward of that as well. So if she started the first initiation, she was the first Muslim, she initiated firstly to become a Muslim, and then now after her, anyone who become Muslim, she gets the reward of that person, and that person whatever deed he does. Even Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq became Muslim after her. He is the first to embrace Islam in the men, but in totality it is Sayyida Khadijah al-Kubra radiyallahu ta'ala anha. So imagine the status of such a person, that all of the Sahaba Rizwan Ajmain who followed Sayyida Khadijah al-Kubra had a share.